ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు మొట్టం కావడరా ఫోన్ అంటే నువ్వు కవర్ చేస్తున్నావా
నీకు ఇచ్చేది సాయితేజా ఎక్కలరా పిచ్చి పో
మహేష్ సారు
తిరుగు పోయింది ఈమె ఎక్కడెక్కడైనా వచ్చింది హిట్ కాదు సైడ్ కా ఏం రావట్లేదు
రావట్లేదు అసలు ఏం రావట్లేదు
ముందుకోండి
ఇప్పుడే కాదు ఒక ఫోటో తీసి ఫ్లాగ్ లాగుతున్నప్పుడు వీడియో తీ ఫ్లాగ్ కొట్టినప్పుడు ఫోటో ఫ్లాగ్ లాగుతున్నప్పుడు
ఈ అమ్మాయిది అప్పటి నుంచి అలా అడ్డం వస్తుంది
అడ్డం ఉన్నారు
Everyone, please put your hands together for clapping.
మళ్ళీ అడ్డం వచ్చింది
అక్కడంగా తీయాలి అడగ తీస్తే
Salute! Hands down. Now I would request our vice principals to hoist our school. It's our school flag. Keep on clapping. Don't you guys have energy? Our head girl Shrestha is running with the sports drive. Encourage her. Chorus Captain Pavani. Encourage them. It's time for Mughals Captain Hemalata. Deputy Head Girl of the school, Shermukhi.
Nakazar నువ్వే
Encourage them by your mouth. King's group signifies leadership. A king is the one. King's group signifies leadership. A king is the one who leads, who motivates his followers and builds an army or team that reflects discipline and dedication. He rules his kingdom, taking his countrymen into confidence. This was
చేద్ది మీదికెళ్ళి
Mughals group signifies tolerance and harmony. Mughals were one of the greatest rulers in the Indian history. They were tolerant and respected the
చూసిరా నాయన వాళ్ళ మీద పడాలి మనం
utmost importance. Peaceful and harmonious. This is Caesar's group signifies intelligence and power. Name of the great ruler Julius Caesar has been used for this house. Caesar is considered to be one of the greatest rulers of all the times, known for his intelligence and conquering power. The students at Sri Chaitanya by Edward.
with the beat.
చెప్పు అంకుల్ బారా వా
Pharaoh's group signifies glory. Pharaohs were the kings who ruled Egypt long ago. They were known for their wealth, lifestyle, and adoption of future knowledge and presentation of their richness in a systematic way.
All bodies are weak. That's why your life become weak.
అవును సార్
But
వీడియో కూడా
sports
ఉంది
make you stronger.
వీడియో ఫోటోలు రెండు వస్తున్నాయి
Sports make you strengthen. Sports make you the great being. You know, human being. We are the humans, but we are not being with us. Karate Kid, if you have a time in Amazon Prime, it's better to watch it. Better to watch it. He's a Karatean, but he is used to workouts. He can able to control the other's mind also. That's a small kid. That is the Karate Kid. It's a wonderful movie. Don't miss it. So all the bodies, your emotions, everything is streamlined. When all these aligned in one particular manner, you can able to rock everything. Such a rocking generation, such a strengthened generation, such a for the Indian nation. That is then the nation should be a great and proud. Okay, it will be designed in the school only. So, my dear, so everyone should utilize the sports periods, games periods. Not the sports. Whenever sports periods and involve completely and enjoy the sports, but precautions should be required. And safety is the required. And some rules are the required. Okay. Okay. So I hope understand. So we are triggered the sports meet today. So everyone participate in all the games and you get the maximum extent, you involve maximum in every sports and make you